Hello there, today I will show you how to get a SimCity Buildit modded version for 2025. This works on iOS and Android, so as you can see I got unlimited resources right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So it's very easy. There's a website called hexmods.com. They have a ton of modded apps. So let's just go ahead and go over there. So once you're on the site, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in SimCity Buildit. And as you can see, it should come straight up. So go ahead and press on it and then press the download button. And before it downloads, guys, there is going to be one more step, which I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do. But trust me, it is very easy. So basically the final step is we have to do a verification. So what we have to do is download some apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says right here, like complete 2 free apps. So there's going to be around 4 of them to choose from. So just make sure you read the instructions below each app. You can see the golf one says reach level 10. So you just press tap to install and it will bring you straight to the app store and then you just download the app. So I'm going to see you later. I did the Family Island one. We had to reach level 10. It was pretty easy. But just make sure you guys are completing 2 of the apps. And also if you're in another country, you're probably going to see different apps. That's totally fine. But just make sure you do it correctly, guys, and you will get the SimCity Buildit modded version with unlimited resources, as you can see right here. So yes, super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super awesome, and I've tried many methods, so that's crazy. So here's the 4 apps, and you just got to download 2 of them. They got a thing down here. It says checking completion, so it is looking to make sure you did it actively, so that's pretty cool. So I will see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super epic and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video and peace out.